Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser and lukewarm water to remove makeup, sunscreen, and excess oil. Avoid hot water. Pat the skin mostly dry, leaving it slightly damp to improve absorption, and wait about 30 to 60 seconds before applying products. If you use a low-alcohol toner or hydrating essence, apply it now so the skin pH and hydration are balanced. This step helps a vitamin C serum absorb more evenly when applied next to a damp surface. Dispense 3 to 5 drops of a 10% to 20% L-ascorbic acid serum into clean fingertips. This amount covers face and neck without waste. Warm the serum briefly between your fingertips to loosen viscosity, then press and smooth it in upward and outward motions across cheeks, forehead, nose, chin, and down the neck. Keep the product away from the eyes and any compromised skin, and allow the serum to absorb for about 1 minute before layering other treatments to ensure effective penetration and minimal pilling. After the serum absorbs, apply a moisturizer to lock in hydration and restore the skin barrier. At night you don't need sunscreen, but always use broad-spectrum SPF in the morning after nighttime vitamin C. Start by using the serum nightly, but perform a 24-hour patch test first and reduce frequency to every other night if you experience redness or stinging. Store the serum in a cool, dark place or refrigerator. Keep the bottle capped tightly to prevent oxidation, and discard if it changes color or smell.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.